Watch this. I just asked the AI crew, what stock should I avoid? It found Palantir with negative momentum. I never used the word Palantir. I never used the word negative. It found the answer by meaning. That is semantic memory. Running locally on my hardware. No OpenAI, no cloud API, a 274 megabyte model on an Orange Pi, and a database extension that costs nothing. Here's how I built it and why the first thing I tried completely failed. Welcome back to Black Box AI Lab. My crew has 14 agents. Morgan runs scans every morning. Casey writes SEO content every week, and Bocephus runs strategy sessions every Sunday. Every single one of them was forgetting everything between sessions. I had a basic fix, PostgreSQL. Each agent writes a key value record after every run. Morgan scans. On the next session, she reads it back. That works for scheduled retrieval. But it breaks completely for natural questions. What were the best opportunities this week? What should Bocephus know before making a decision? What stock should I avoid? To answer those questions, you need to search by meaning, not by exact key. That is semantic memory. The filing cabinet just needed to become a search engine. The obvious first move was Mem0, 48,000 GitHub stars, clean API, designed exactly for this. Pip install Mem0 AI, configure it with local llama, add a memory, check the result. So I started building, and with Mem0, it came up empty, not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times. Every time, the model was too small to extract structured facts from the text. Mem0 is built for OpenAI and Claude APIs where you can guarantee structured JSON output. Our local 3 billion parameter models don't reliably return JSON format Mem0 needs for fact extraction. 48,000 stars, right tool, wrong environment. So I built my own. 3 components, all local, all free. Component 1, pgvector, an open source extension that adds vector similarity search to PostgreSQL. The Odroid XU4 is already running my database. I just need to compile and install the extension. I found a git clone and used sudo install to put it onto the XU4. Then I created an extension. PostgreSQL now understands vectors. 1 command, it's done. Component 2 was nomic-embed-text, a 274 megabyte model specifically designed for generating embeddings, not for chat, for understanding meaning. I simply did an Olama poll, 274 megabytes. That's it. This model takes text in and returns a 768 dimensional vector, a mathematical fingerprint of what the text means. Component 3, wired into the memory system. Every time an agent writes a memory, the Jetson sends a text to Orange Pi, gets back a 768 number vector, and stores both in PostgreSQL alongside each other. Orange Pi 5 Plus is now running the Quen models and the embedding model. The link's in the description. Here's the proof that it works. Every Morgan scan now has vector embedding stored alongside the raw data. Every future memory write does too. Automatic, there's no extra steps. The filing cabinet just became a semantic search engine. I ran 3 different searches, 3 different ways of asking about the same data. The best performing stocks, it found Nvidia and Apple. I didn't search for either ticker. For stocks to avoid, it found Palantir with negative momentum and Coin with declining revenue. When I searched company financial status, it found the morning briefing at the top. None of these queries match the stored text. The system is finding meaning. This is the difference between a database and a memory layer. My honest assessment, the similarity scores are 0.5 range right now. That's moderate. The reason is the memories are stored as raw Python dictionaries, not clean readable text. When Morgan writes a scan result, it looks like this. But the foundation is built. Local, private, running on hardware I own. pgvector on the Odroid, nomic-embed-text on the Orange Pi, 0 cloud dependency, 0 ongoing costs. The person in the OpenClaw forum said there are 0 legitimate use cases. The memory problem makes everything theater. The memory problem is solved on a $59 Odroid and an $89 Orange Pi. Version 2 stores human-readable summaries. NVIDIA scored 100 out of 100 with strong momentum and solid fundamentals. Similarity scores jumped to 0.8 plus. That's the next iteration. In the next video, we're going to go over 30 days of paper trading results, the build fund update, and the real money decision is June 13th. If you want to see how the whole stack was built from beginning, video 1 is below. Hit that subscribe button and don't miss the real money decision on June 13th. All the equipment is linked below, and also I have guides linked below on Gumroad. Thank you for your support.